class, welcome to another tutorial on CS384. This time we will be looking at CSV processing. So a very important topic and a very important CSV module is there in Python that helps you process CSV files at ease. So before beginning this lecture, I would like to recommend that you need to install the Rainbow CSV add-on in Microsoft VS Code, right? So you can just come up this window. I already have it installed right now, so you can just click the extension tab and just search for Rainbow CSV. Okay, so the first entry that you get is Rainbow CSV. Looks kind of this thing. So I have already installed it. Right, the advantage here is like it helps you view the CSV file in quite a good view. Right, so you can easily understand what a CSV file means. So first topic we will see what a CSV file actually is. Right? Now since I have basically the Rainbow CSV already installed here, so let me just open up my folder. So first I will show you the plain CSV file. How does it look like in the notepad? Right? So a CSV file looks like this. So we have the name, country, profession. You can have any number of fields as you want, any number of rows. But see, each and every column is comma separated, right? So if you can see, I have the name, then I have a comma, I have country, I have a comma, I have a profession. So basically there are two commas in this file. That implies that this file will have three columns, right? First column is name, second column is country, third column is profession. Now let us read the rows. So this we call as the header, right? Header means it identifies which fields are what. Second row is the contents now. So Sachin is the name, so you can see a comma. So the first comma corresponding to the first comma everywhere. Second comma corresponds to the country. So the country is India, and third is, let's say, cricketer. Then we have, let's say, A.R. Rahman. Country is India, and profession is musician. Third we have Albert Einstein. Then we use a comma. So the advantages of CSV are twofold. First of all, you don't need an Excel or something like to open the files. These are simple text files. As I told you, I opened them in Notepad. Fine. Second thing, since these are text files, the size of these files are very small and the processing is extremely fast, right? Because there are no proprietary objects attached to it. What do I mean by proprietary? We will see later. Like for example, you cannot open an Excel file in Notepad, right? It will have all the gibberish text. So let me just see. So let's say I have an Excel file. Some threshold file is there. So let me just try to open this in Notepad. So it of course does not allow me to open also. But let me open it forcefully. Copy path. See, this is how the Excel file actually appears, right? So that means it's a binary file. Okay, the advantage with CSV is like you can have a simple text file only. The extension is .csv. So you can see the extension here .csv. So the takeaway for this lecture is CSV file basically are text files. They are comma separated and hence the name CSV, comma separated. V stands for values. Okay. So you can specify as many number of rows you want, as many number of columns you want, just separate them by commas. In the later lectures, we can see that this comma can be even any delimiter. Why do we say as delimiter? Because it delimits between two datas, right? So name and country is delimited by comma. Okay. So this can be semicolon, hash, tilde, anything that you would like to use, but that has to be uniform throughout. You cannot have a file with first two rows having comma CSV, then two rows having hash, then two rows having semicolon. Everything has to be uniform. Right, so that's it for this lecture, just a brief introduction, and I hope you install the Rainbow CSV also. So for example, if you see the Rainbow CSV, it automatically colors, right? So the white colors are my column 1, right? The blue colors are my column 2, and the yellow color is my column 3, right? Because the fields are of different lengths. If it's just a simple black and white file like this, so you can see this is easier to read, right? And this is because of Rainbow CSV. You can have any file, any CSV file, it gives alternate colors that helps better readability, right? So that's it for this tutorial class. Have a good day.